हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल फिजिक्स की क्लास में स्वागत है। आज हम एटम्स चैप्टर से AIPMT 2014 एंड AIPMT 2015 के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाइड्रोजन एटम इन ग्राउंड स्टेट इज एक्साइटेड बाय ए मोनोक्रोमेटिक रेडिएशन ऑफ लैम्डा is equal to 975 angstrom. Number of spectral lines in the resulting emission will be 3, 4, 2, 6 and 10. This is ground state. This is nucleus. N is equal to 1 और ये एनर्जी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से एनर्जी जो रेडिएशन है 975 एंगस्ट्रॉम का उससे एनर्जी लेता है और ये जंप कर जाता है ऑन दिस nth orbit, stationary orbit. Energy at ground state E1 is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। यहाँ से एनर्जी गेन करता है मान लिया E और एनर्जी टोटल एनर्जी हो जाती है उसकी EN। तो E होगा, E की वैल्यू होगी जो एनर्जी रिसीट है E इज इक्वल टू HC बाई लैम्डा और 6.63 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 34 इंटू 3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 975 एंगस्ट्रॉम या 975 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 10 मीटर। दिस कम्स इन जूल। इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में कन्वर्ट कर दें, माइनस 34 इंटू 3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 8 975 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 10 इंटू 1.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 19 से डिवाइड कर दिया। दिस कन्वर्ट्स इन इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। 6.63 into 3 10 to the power 3 divided by 975 into 1.6। इनके डेसिमल अगर हटाएं, यहाँ से नीचे 100 ऊपर दिस इज 10। तो E की वैल्यू आ जाती है 663 इंटू 3 इंटू 1000 इंटू 10 divided by 975 into 16 into 100। 39 एक 4 जा 3 13 ये 51। दिस कम्स टू 51 by 4 और 12.75 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। जो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीट करता है 12.75 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एनर्जी, तो टोटल एनर्जी EN इज इक्वल टू माइनस 13 पॉइंट ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी प्लस रिसीट एनर्जी minus 0.85 eV and En is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square minus 0.85 और n square is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 0.85 16 n is equal to root 16 4। अब जो स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन है number of spectral lines फॉर्मूला होता है n2 माइनस n1 n2 माइनस n1 plus 1 by 2. In this case n2 is 4 minus n1 is 1. 4 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 4 by 2 is equal to 6. The number of spectral line होंगी that they will be 6 in number. C is correct option. Next, consider third orbit of helium using non-realistic approach. The speed of electron will be given. K is 9 into 10 to the power 9 constant, Z is 2 and H is Planck's constant 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Option है 2.92 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, 1.46 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, 0.73 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is nucleus, or suppose the electron move in nth orbit. Z is atomic number. Z is charge on plus charge, positive charge due to proton on nucleus, and electron moves in this orbit. Charge is E. Electrostatic force on electron K into Z E into E by, if this is R square, this will be equal to centripetal force mv square by r. V is speed of electron. mv square r square upon r is equal to kz e square. mv square r is equal to kz e square. mvr into v is equal to kz e square. mvr is angular momentum, or according to Bohr's theorem, mvr will be equal to nh by 2 pi. nh by 2 pi into v is equal to kz e square, or v is equal to 2 pi kz e square by nh, or 2 pi into z by n into k e का स्क्वायर बाई h. वैल्यू पुट कर दें. 2 इंटू पाई की वैल्यू होते हैं 22/7, z is given 2, n is given 3, k is given 9 into 10 to the power 9, और e 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 का स्क्वायर, और दिस इज 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. 2 into 2, 22 into 2 by 7 into 3, upper side में 9, 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 into 2.56 10 to the power minus 38 divided by 10 to the power minus 34. 2 into 22 into 2 into 9 into 2.56, 7 into 3 into 6.6 into 10 to the power 5. इसका डेसिमल हटाएं 100 और 6.6 का डेसिमल हटाएंगे 10. Twenty-two, 3 is 66, 3 3 is 9 and 3 is 1. Four into 256 by 7 into 100 into 10 to the power 6. 7 into 100 into 10 to the power 6 V. 10.24 by 7 into 10 to the power 6 or 146 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. This will be the speed of electron. 1.46 into 10 to the power 6. B is correct option. Next, in the spectrum of hydrogen, the ratio of longest wavelength in Lyman series to the longest wavelength in Walmer series is 4 by 9, 9 by 4, 27 by 5 and 5 by 27. Suppose longest wavelength in Lyman series is lambda L and longest series in Balmer series is lambda B. So longest Balmer series 1 by lambda L is equal to R 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. For longest 1 upon N1 is 1 and N2 is 2. R 1 minus 1 by 4 or 3R by 4. Lambda L is equal to 4 by 3R. Question number 1. Similarly, lambda B 1 upon lambda B would be equal R. For longest N1 is 2 and N2 is 3. R 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. R 36, 9 minus 4, 5 R by 36. Lambda B is equal to 36 by 5 R. Ratio lambda L by lambda B. Lambda L is 4 by 3 R and this is 36 by 5 R. 4 into 5 R, 36 into 3 R. 4 9 जा R से R क्रॉस हो गया. This comes to 5 by 27. तो रेशियो होगी 5 by 27. This D is correct option.